Hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer as always. Nothing is monetized, nothing is for sale, no ads on the videos. I do not sell courses, mentorships, or anything else for that matter. With that said, let's get straight to the point because things are pretty interesting at the moment. The big thing here is not SPY being down a little bit, pound. No, no. The big thing here is that Trump is threatening massive tariffs again. Here we go. So Trump is threatening with 100% secondary tariffs on Russian export buyers unless Ukraine blah 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 peace deal is reached, which won't happen, right? So if this comes to fruition, we're looking at 100% tariffs on China and India, which are the two large players. Other countries as well, but mainly those will be the ones that are hit. And they've both already responded that they will immediately respond with equal tariffs, reciprocal tariffs. There has also been another development. Let me show you. Here we go. So Trump asked Zelensky to strike Moscow or St. Petersburg so that Putin can feel it. Make them feel the pain, yeah. I thought America voted for no more wars, but I guess Bush 2.0. But okay, whatever. These are big things because this is what scares the market. And you might think, well, I trade Forex, so why would I give a fuck, right? Why would I give a fuck? I'll tell you why you should give a fuck. Right here. Here's your fuck. Okay, so when the market is negatively impacted, and the whole economy for that matter, with massive potential trade wars coming in August, in just 15 days, 16 days, SPY might potentially drop again like it did in April, but this would be bigger actually. So we could see a huge drop in SPY. SPY is sold almost exclusively in dollars, which means that there's going to be a ton of breakouts, huge moves. This is already a breakout itself. Things are already starting to move. Like there's getting a lot of momentum. That's what I'm getting. A lot of breakthroughs, and they'll go the distance. Potentially, even just this threat today cost a lot of momentum. The two trades I posted in the Discord and mentioned in yesterday's video are now both valid trades. This one you can still enter. Valid trade now. This broke through, almost hit TP. Valid trade. I wouldn't enter this now. But now I'm in a difficult period where I draw potentials as like far, right? And then Trump is like, blow the fuck out of Putin. Shoot at the Kremlin. And the dollar is just going to explode, right? So what the fuck then? How do I put something as a potential as close or far? Because so much is breaking through, breaking out. Instead of, if you look at my long-term trading history, I don't do much breakthroughs. I usually do classic reversals. This is actually a classic reversal. But the way it has been moving, no, not these big moves. It's not ranging nicely. It's ranging unnicely. It's still a valid setup. I need to get some more SR lines within this field. Now that I'm looking at it. Or I should say discipline and say SR areas. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Don't do a larger, even if the range looks huge, don't do more than a 2.0 entry. Actually, on this one, you could do 1.5, completely fine, because the range, the trend, it's on the way up, and it has been since March. So you're kind of counter trending here. If we were to draw trend lines, I don't use them for OTA, but I look at candles for the trend, and it's trending up. Might be a trend reversal though, but you don't know. Regardless, don't go above a 2.0 R. Anyways, we'll still go through the other trades. This one here, in proximity to the 200 200 SMA. So be careful with that. This one, another close potential reversal, but the 200 MA is in the way. So don't know what to do with that one. Complete garbage. See, a lot of just things breaking through. My SR areas are getting destroyed. The nice thing about recessions, if one were to hit, is that in a recessionary economy, things are very ranging and very nicely ranging. So it's very easy to trade. Not these continuous all-time highs and I'm scared of this and they're scared of that. Here, this is a really nice potential. I'm actually gonna. This is valid right now. I'm gonna post this right now. I'll add some. Oh, looks nice, bro. I'll do some stupid art. Don't be cringe. Could enter this. Completely valid. Posting in Discord right now because someone told me I don't post the entries. Like, even though I shouldn't have to do that. I mean, I'm already posting the signal, so what more do you need? There you go. Anyways, let's go through everything once again. Very nice. Trending down too hard. Wouldn't go along on it. Don't know where it's gonna go. Yeah. Here is an indecision candle on my SR area, but it isn't ranging anymore. It's just consolidating. If I draw a larger picture, it's just from here on, it's been consolidation. And I'll slide down a little bit up. It's not a nice range. I don't like it. Oh, could go short here as well. Is that a crossfire? Yeah. Don't. Yeah, ignore the crossfire. Yeah, could have potential here. That was probably an entry. No, it wasn't. I saw inflation here. Very hard. Wow. The dollar is just. Don't enter all these breakthroughs. Don't get the crosspair risk. This is gold. Gold is very strong. It has been since 24. Very. Wow. Impressive. I should add some silver stocks as well. I used to have some silver ones, but the spread wasn't too good, so I removed them. Anyways, we've had a good look at setups now. Here we go. We have two potentials. This one I'm probably gonna enter true. Yeah, I'll do it. Why not? Make it interesting, right? Already up a lot for the month. And I'll say yes. Yeah, so I'll post this one in the Discord as well. And this potential right here, we need an indecision candle though. So we'll see what happens. All right. And what I mean by crosspair risk is that if you're entering the dollar and the dollar, you're basically entering a double trade. This will move more or less the same. If there's a dollar reaction to it, it will move the same. So you're just doubling your risk. So I try to avoid crosspair risk and have a rule of no more than 3 pairs with crosspair risk on it. That's how I do it. You can find out what works for you. If you're very, very new to all of this, I would recommend staying away from it. And yeah, that's it. We got all covered. Just gotta post this one in the Discord. If you got any questions, you can post a comment. You can hop in the Discord and ask, or you can do like the exact same as everyone else and just DM me so that no one sees you don't know something. Because that's very dangerous. You can never reveal that, right? Just kidding. You can DM me, it's all fine. And that's it for now. Very interesting markets. We'll see. See ya.